Time to talk to Rob now, one of the most pressure-filled weekends of your year.
This is a big one.
Yeah, it is. And we've been talking about these rain chances. You know, this is true. What I do when I wake up the next day, sometimes that's at the crack of noon, but what I do is, the first thing I do is I look out the window and go, did it pan out the way I forecasted? Because I want people to make sure that if they make plans, especially this weekend, it's what they expect.
And timing is everything this weekend.
Timing is going to be everything. Two things I'm watching and I'm concerned about. Will we see a few isolated sprinkles tomorrow in the morning? That's maybe something new that we're throwing into the forecast. And of course, when will those storms arrive, if they do arrive, on Sunday?
And you're saying storms.
Well, showers and storms. I think there could be a couple of rumbles of thunder with it. Let's start with this. This is what's trying to move our way. Now, it's the moisture that may arrive overnight, mainly in the form of some clouds, but even a few sprinkles in the early part of the day, and then it may linger around enough so that by finally on Sunday, we'll see some of that ease our way. You can tell the clouds have rolled in and even a little bit of moisture here. Temperature-wise, we're doing okay. We're on track for our forecast. 64 currently in the city, but everyone else just about has cooled down into the 50s. There's a 65 showing up there for Bedford, though it seemed a bit delayed. 52, our current temperature for tonight. Again, increasing the clouds overnight. That's a bit of something I've changed in the forecast. I also added more clouds in the morning. I think those clouds will stick around through about midday. The parade should be fine. In fact, a little bit of overcast may be fine considering that the temperatures are going to be pretty mild. It may make for a decent day so that you don't warm up too quickly and that sun's not beating down on you. But I do expect sunshine by the second half of the day. And as I mentioned, while Futurecast is not doing a great job of showing that moisture moving in the form of some sprinkles, I hope Futurecast is right. Some of the newer model data I've looked at, a couple of other models, they do suggest maybe a sprinkle or two, but nothing to wash anything out, nothing to really change any plans as far as the outdoors are concerned. Temperatures will warm up into the upper 70s to near 80 for tomorrow, and the skies will clear. Now, by the time we get into Sunday, that's when the clouds will really start to move in. Watch as we get through about midday. We're still holding the rain chances back, but by the time we get into the afternoon, you do start to notice a few showers popping up. This is 3 p.m., and by the time we get into the afternoon, some of those showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder, are going to be rolling through. That's what we're watching very carefully. If you just adjust the timing a little bit, it changes everything as far as your forecast is concerned. Here's what we're expecting for the 8-day. Again, we've added in that isolated PM chance. We've had that there for the last few days. Scattered showers, changing back and forth between isolated and scattered. With highs in the 80s the entire week, it feels like summer.
All right. Thank you, Rob.